Welcome to Hung Explore Worlds. Today, we'll explore 7 groundbreaking farming machines that are revolutionizing agriculture. These technologies are boosting efficiency, increasing productivity, and making farming more sustainable, all while helping farmers meet the growing global demand for food. 1. The world's largest subsoil tiller, breaking ground. Our first machine is the world's largest subsoil tiller. This massive machine is designed for tough soil and compacted terrain, capable of reaching depths of up to 2 meters. This technology is essential for bringing vital nutrients buried deep within the soil to the surface, making them accessible to plants. The subsoil tiller is powered by a series of Caterpillar bulldozers, totaling more than 650 horsepower. It works by using a hydraulic blade to break up compacted soil, allowing for better water retention and reducing the need for excessive irrigation. This technology is particularly useful in arid regions or areas where soil quality is poor. By improving the soil structure, the subsoil tiller transforms unproductive land into fertile soil, supporting higher crop yields and better food security in underserved regions. 2. The giant John Deere tractor, power and precision. Next, let's talk about one of the most iconic machines in modern farming. The John Deere 9620RX, weighing 25.2 tons and equipped with a powerful 620 horsepower engine. This machine is built to tackle large-scale operations with ease. Its durable track design ensures stability, even on rough or steep terrain. The John Deere 9620RX is a multifunctional tractor used for tasks such as tilling, planting, fertilizing, and harvesting. Equipped with GPS and auto-steering technology, this machine allows for precision farming, ensuring that every inch of the field is optimized for maximum output. The tractor can operate with minimal human intervention, reducing labor costs and enhancing productivity. With its fuel-efficient engine and advanced soil protection system, the John Deere 9620RX also addresses environmental concerns, making it an essential machine for large farms. 3. The disc harrow, preparing soil for growth. The disc harrow is an essential machine for preparing the soil before planting. With its rotating metal discs, it cuts through compacted soil and breaks up clods, improving soil aeration and water absorption. The Horsch Pronto 12.25 disc harrow is a prime example of this technology. It's hydraulically adjustable, which allows farmers to customize the depth of tilling based on soil conditions. The primary benefit of the disc harrow is its efficiency and gentle impact on soil. It works quickly to prepare the land, cutting downtime and labor costs while protecting the soil structure. This machine is perfect for large fields of corn, wheat, soybeans, and other staple crops. By improving soil health and optimizing conditions for planting, the disc harrow boosts crop yields and supports sustainable farming practices. 4. The stone picker, cleansing fields of obstacles. In farming regions with rocky soil, the stone picker is a game changer. Rocks and stones in the field can cause significant damage to equipment, slow down planting, and hinder crop growth. The stone picker works by lifting rocks from the soil using rotating tines or rollers, depositing them into a container for easy removal. This machine saves farmers countless hours of manual labor and ensures that the soil is free from debris. It is particularly useful in regions with rocky terrain, like parts of Europe, South America, and North America. By removing rocks and stones from the field, the stone picker not only protects farming equipment, but also makes planting and harvesting smoother and more efficient. 5. The seeder, precision planting. The seed drill, or seeder, is essential for planting crops with precision. It ensures that seeds are placed at the right depth and in the right spacing, maximizing crop yield and minimizing waste. The Horsch Pronto 12.25 seeder is a great example of cutting-edge planting technology. This seeder can be adjusted for different soil types, ensuring optimal seed placement. With GPS technology and automatic depth adjustment, the seeder provides a level of precision that reduces seed wastage and ensures uniform germination. By planting the seeds accurately, the seeder also reduces competition between plants, leading to healthier crops and improved yields. In regions where crop space and resources are limited, the seeder is indispensable for optimizing farming operations. 6. The combine harvester, revolutionizing harvesting. Next, we look at the combine harvester, an indispensable machine for modern farming. It's responsible for harvesting crops like wheat, corn, and soybeans. The Claas Lexion 8900 is a prime example of the latest combine harvester technology. Equipped with a self-cleaning system and automatic adjustments, it reduces downtime and increases efficiency. The combine harvester collects and processes crops in a single pass, harvesting, threshing, and separating the grains all at once. This drastically reduces labor costs and speeds up the harvesting process. The machine is also designed to be fuel efficient, helping to reduce the environmental footprint of farming. Combine harvesters have made it possible to harvest large areas of land quickly, ensuring that crops are brought in at their peak ripeness, preventing spoilage and maximizing yields. In addition, modern combine harvesters are fitted with advanced sensors that optimize grain collection and reduce waste. 7. The fertilizer spreader, enhancing crop nutrition. Finally, we have the fertilizer spreader. Proper fertilization is essential to boosting crop yields, but spreading fertilizer by hand or with old machinery can be inefficient. The fertilizer spreader ensures that nutrients are distributed evenly across the field, allowing crops to grow strong and healthy. This machine uses rotating discs to fling fertilizer over large areas, ensuring that each plant receives the right amount of nutrition. It also prevents over-fertilization, which can lead to soil degradation and pollution. By distributing fertilizer efficiently, the spreader helps maintain soil health and supports sustainable farming practices. In addition to its efficiency, the fertilizer spreader allows farmers to save on input costs by minimizing waste. It's a key machine for maintaining soil fertility and ensuring that crops receive the nutrients they need for maximum growth. The future of farming. These 7 farming machines represent just a glimpse into the incredible innovations that are transforming agriculture. From precision planting and advanced soil preparation to efficient harvesting and sustainable fertilization, technology is helping farmers around the world produce more food with fewer resources. By adopting these technologies, farmers can boost productivity, reduce environmental impact, and meet the demands of a growing global population. The future of farming lies in embracing these innovations and using them to create a more sustainable, efficient, and resilient agricultural system. Thank you for joining us on this exciting exploration of the machines revolutionizing farming. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content like this. Together, we can explore the world of innovation and the technologies that are shaping our future. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.